Hello everybody, today in this video I would give you a clear-cut idea on square root of a number. If you are using the English phrase square root of a number 4, and if you are using the symbol or radical symbol square root of 4, these two are different. That means if I were saying using English phrase square root of number 4, it means find the number whose square is 4. In that case you can get two values, plus 2 and minus 2, because both when squared gives 4. But if I use the radical sign, square root sign over 4, then it means give the positive result. That means find the number, positive number, which when multiplied by itself gives 4, and in that case it will be only plus 2. So let's see by an example. Let's see here, I've written a question: x is equal to root over 4. So most of us we think that this value would be plus or minus 2, but I want to make you clear that when we are using a radical sign, we have to only take the positive value. We can't take the negative value. That means root over 4 is only 2 or plus 2, not minus 2. But if the same question is like this, x square is equal to 4, in that case it means whose square is 4, and we know both plus 2 and minus 2, if they are squared it gives 4. So here how we put x is equal to root over 4. But as you know, root over 4 only gives the positive value, but I know both positive and negative values will satisfy the equation. Therefore, we put a plus and minus sign before this square root in such cases, and we write it as plus or minus 2. Now, if you see graphically for the graph y square is equal to x, you see that the graph is above and below the x-axis. That means for each value of x there are two values for y. That means y has two values, one the positive, which is above the x-axis, and the other is negative, which is below the x-axis. But if you see a graph if you see the graph for y is equal to root over x, you will see that the graph is only on one side of the x-axis, that is above the x-axis, which clearly shows that y has got only positive values, it has no negative values. So that's actually what the difference is. Hope you understood. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.